In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to start Faceless YouTube channel using just ChatGPT and Canva. Okay, we will use just Canva to make the videos, and we will use ChatGPT to get YouTube script, and we will use another AI website to turn this YouTube script into voiceover. Okay, so and we will share with you step by step how we can start making faceless YouTube videos just in few minutes. Okay, so let's get started. So first, what you need to do is you need to open an account on ChatGPT. Okay, then we need now to choose specific topics that people will be interested to watch. Okay, so if you make video about those topics that I'm gonna share with you, you will get views, you will get subscribers, you can grow fast by using this method. Okay, so because you are making videos that people are searching for. Okay, so let me show you how you can do this. So what you need to do is you need to go to YouTube. Okay, so I want you to pay attention in this step. Just go to your YouTube homepage, and you can use YouTube search to find topics that people are searching for. So click on the search over here and ask question. Ask how to, so for example, ask how to kit. So for example, here you go, you will find topics that people are searching for, and if you make YouTube video about one of those topics, you will get views, you will get subscribers, you can grow fast because you are making videos that people are searching for. Okay, so you can get views from YouTube search. How to quit smoking, how to quit smoking weed, how to quit drinking alcohol, and so much more. So let's ask another question. For example, how to become, and here you go, how to become millionaire, how to become rich, how to become content creator. As you can see, how to become a YouTuber. Those are the topics that people are searching for. How to train, here you go, you will find topics that people are searching for. So let's choose one of those topics. So for example, I'm gonna choose this one, how to train your dog. Okay, let's go to ChatGPT and ask him to make an engaging YouTube script, okay, about how to train your dog. There you go, ChatGPT will start creating your YouTube script. What you need to do next is you need to turn this script into a voiceover. I'm gonna show you how I can do it. It's really easy and simple. Okay, as you can see, ChatGPT will start creating your YouTube script, segment 1, segment 2, and so much more. Okay, I'm gonna just stop this YouTube script over here just to show you guys. So what you need to do next, this is your title. As you can see, you just need to copy this script. Okay, I'm gonna just copy this part. Okay, I'm gonna just use this part, guys, just to show you. Copy this. So to turn this YouTube script into voiceover, you can go to Google and search for this website. Search for 11 Labs. Okay, search for 11 Labs. So this website will turn your YouTube script into voiceover just in few minutes, in few seconds. Okay, so this will be your homepage. After you finish your sign up process, you can just use your email address to sign up. Scroll down and put your YouTube script here. This is my YouTube script. I'm gonna delete this. Okay, I'm gonna leave it like this. You can add your name here if you want, your channel name or your name, wherever you want. I'm gonna just delete this part. Okay, and there you go. What you need to do, you can click over here and choose which voiceover you want to use for your YouTube videos. Then scroll down and click on generate.
Hey there, dog lovers. Welcome back to our channel where we delve into the fascinating world of canine companionship. Today, we have an incredibly exciting topic: dog training. have just welcomed a new furry friend into your life or want to brush up on your training skills, this video is for you. And to get...
Here you go. What you need to do to upload this voiceover to your laptop, click on this icon over here, okay? And this voiceover will be uploaded to your laptop. Okay, what you need to do next is you need to turn this voiceover into a YouTube video. So we can go to Google and search for Canva. We will use Canva to turn this voiceover into a YouTube video. So you just need to go to Canva, go to Google, search for Canva, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process to Canva is super easy and simple. After you finish your sign up process, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. So just click on video. You can see over here video, click on a video, okay? You will be directly in this page over here, okay? What you need to do next is you need to upload your voiceover to your Canva account. So what you will do, click over here on upload file, and upload your voiceover, okay? Okay, this is my voiceover over here. Click on open, and your voiceover will be over here in your Canva account, okay? So just click on your voiceover. Your voiceover will be under this page over here, and click on add page and add more page that will be matched with your voiceover, okay? I'm gonna keep adding more page like this, okay? So go to the first page like this. Let me see.
Hey there, dog lovers.
Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to click over here on elements, okay? And click on the search and search for dogs, okay? Because this video is about dog. You can search for dogs or dog, it's the same. Click on video, click on elements, search for dog, click on videos. You will find a lot of videos here, as you can see, okay? So let's choose one of those videos. Let me just choose one that will be good to use it in our first video, okay? I'm gonna use this one. I think this one is good. So you'll find a lot of videos about dogs are here. Click on the video, and the video will be over here in your page. Click on these 3 points, set the video as background and make it short, okay, like this. Click on the next page and add more videos about dogs, okay? I'm gonna add this one over here like this, make it short. Next page, add this one over here. You can make faceless YouTube videos just in few minutes. You can make it fast, okay? Because it's really easy just using ChatGPT and Canva, okay? I'm gonna use this one too. Next page, make the videos short and add different videos to make your videos more engaging, okay? That's why I'm using different videos, okay, to make this video more engaging and more so the viewer can enjoy watching your video, okay? It's really simple and easy, guys, as you can see, and you are making videos that people are searching for, so you can get views from YouTube search, and you can grow fast because you are making videos that people are searching for, okay? So you just need to copy and paste my method. I hope it will help you. So you will see in the end of this video, you will see we will make an amazing YouTube video, okay? It's just, let's add more videos here to make. So you just need to keep scrolling down, okay? And you will find different videos here. I'm gonna use this one over here. Set the video as background, make it short. Next page, add this one over here. Next page, scroll down, add this one over here like this. Add more page so you can add more videos. And here you go. Let's adjust this one over here like this. So after you finish adding all those videos that will be matched with your voiceover, go to the first page and click between your two first page and click on add transition, and choose which transition you want to add between your videos. Okay, so to make your videos more engaging, I'm gonna choose this one. I'm gonna make it to 0.3 and I will click on apply between all page. Okay, like this. Okay, let me see. There you go. Let's check.
Hey there, dog lovers. Welcome back to our channel where we delve into the fascinating world of canine companionship. Today, we have an incredibly exciting topic. Dog training. Whether you've just welcomed a new furry friend into your life or want to brush up on your training skills, this video is for you. And together, we'll uncover the secrets to training your dog like a pro.
And here you go, guys. As you can see, we just made Faceless YouTube video just by using ChatGPT and Canva and this AI website. If you don't want to use AI voiceover, you can record your own voiceover. Okay, if you don't want to use your own voiceover, go to Google, search for Upwork or Fiverr, and then you will use freelancers to record your YouTube scripts just for a couple dollars. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. After you finish editing your video, you can click over here on share, click on download, and this video will be downloaded to your laptop. Then you can go and upload this video to your YouTube channel, start uploading more videos like this to grow your YouTube channel and make money on YouTube. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and see you in my next video.